Hi, my name is Myles.
My name is Renner.
And today we are going to teach you how to do 3-digit subtraction. And we are regrouping twice. So let's get to the problem.
So today we are going to do 946 minus 257.
Let's write that down. So let's write 946 and put 257 under it.
We always start subtraction in the ones place. We are now going to do 6 minus 7.
Wait a minute, we can't do 6 minus 7.
So let's regroup. We can take 10 from the tens place and move it into the ones place.
Cross out the 6 and put 16 above it.
Now we are going to do 16 minus 7.
Which is 9. Put 9 under the 7. Okay, now we are going to do 3 minus 5 in the tens place.
Again, we can't do that. You're gonna have to regroup.
Okay, so let's take 100 from the hundreds place. So we'll cross out the 9 and write an 8.
And now we'll put a 1 next to the 3, and now it's a 13 in the tens place.
13 minus 5 is 8 tens. Put 8 under the 5.
Back to the hundreds place, we'll do 8 minus 2, which is obviously 6. Put 6 under the 2. Now the answer is 689. I hope you learned something.
We sure did.